Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing this very cute slight glam look for a Charlie Puth concert. So if you want to know how I got this nice pinky look, keep on watching. As always, we start off on clean moisturized skin before we go in with primer. I like to use the e.l.f. Poreless Putty primer. It's affordable. I like how it makes my skin look. It's always nice, smooth and flawless whenever I put foundation on top. For foundation, I always love going in with my Fenty Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Foundation in the lovely orange shade 430. I like to say Oompa Loompa, but this time I'm gonna switch it up. Here's a new character, guys. But in all fairness to Fenty, a lot of my foundations in other shades give an orange look to it for some reason. If you're interested in seeing what my other foundations look like, let me know in the comments below. If you want your foundation to match your body even better, just bring that foundation down and blend it down to your neck. Next up is my favorite concealer of all time, the Too Faced Super Coverage Multi-Sculpting Concealer. I've been using this since university. What I love about it is how high coverage it is, how hydrating it is so it doesn't look cakey, it doesn't leave dry patches, it's easy to blend. And being easy to blend is very important as it helps to create dimension to the face. For a softer highlight, I typically use Chestnut, and for a brighter highlight, I typically use Butterscotch. However, because I want something more in between, I'm using a combination of both. As you can see here, I skipped putting highlighter on my forehead because my head's pretty big, so we don't need that there. To set my under eye, I use the Mercier setting powder in Transluscent. Shake, shake, shake. Go back, go back, go back. Okay. Yes, so as I was saying, I use the Translucent for bright under eyes, not for soft highlights. If I want that bright highlight, that's what I use. You kind of want to go Casper on them, like boo! And to set the whole face, I'm using the Mercier, but this time in the shade Medium Deep. And then just to give it a nice finish, I'm going over with the MAC Mineralize Skinfinish in Dark Deep. I'm telling you, man, if there's one product that I will always repurchase, it's the skin finish. I love it. But you know what else I love? I love the tail comb! But jokes aside, this is really how I've been doing my eyebrows since high school. I still go in with, a brush like you see here. Just going with the powder, darkening those brows. But to get that nice sharp look, I really, really love using my tail comb still. It always gets the job done. I love it. With my Jerry brushes, I'm gonna go in with eyeshadow with the Huda Nude palette. An oldie, but a goodie. For the lids, I'm using the shade Teddy and I'm going in with a C-shaped brush. Then using a blending brush, I'm going into my crease with this shade that I cannot remember, but I will put it here on the screen. It doesn't need to be perfect, guys, but blending, just keep on blending. At the end of the day, just keep on blending. What I also like to do personally is just take that same crease shade and just tap it onto the outer corner of my upper lid. I swear, I haven't used an eyeliner pencil on my lower lid since like 2012 or something, but in the spirit of going to a concert today, I figured, why not? Let's try something different. Using a pencil that is not sharp, just gently rub it onto your waterline. For the upper eyeliner look, I'm going in with my gel liner from Anastasia Beverly Hills. For my typical eyeliner look, I like to start from the middle of the eye, as you can see here, and then go out. If I want to complete the rest of the eyeliner look, I would go into the inner corner, but I'm not doing that too much today. If you're not comfortable with just doing one complete stroke, it's okay to go in with baby strokes and just take your time with it. Now to prevent eyeliner from smudging, I like to go in with either my eyebrow powder or a black eyeshadow and just gently set the eyeliner with that. For mascara, I'm going in with the Fenty Hello Thicc mascara. What can I say? I've been using this and I have no complaints. I prefer to use this over lashes any day. To sculpt the face, the cheeks, I'm going in with my Fenty Sun Stalk'r bronzer in the shade Mocha Mami. If you're my shade, Mocha Mami, yeah, it's a bronzer, but honestly, it's a little bit on the red side, and so I like to use it as a blush personally. So try that out if you want. Had to quickly check that I'm not late for Mr. Puth's concert. Gotta rush. To finish up this pink look, I'm going in with the shade Wonder from the Rare Beauty lip oil line. Now that the makeup is applied, I'm just setting this all in. And voila! Voila! Got some pink earrings to match this pink look. I think it's looking cute. I'm really loving how it came out. Did you like how it came out? If you did, let me know in the comments below. If there's anything else you want me to try, let me know in the comments or even message me on social media. But this is the final look. Who knows, maybe Charlie will know why we don't talk anymore. But for real, thanks for watching, guys. If you liked my video, give it a subscribe and a thumbs up. And remember, self-care is how we practice self-love. Mwah! Bye!